Hi, I'm Emily McClain. I'm here to talk about Flipgrid, which we've used in my 7th and 9th grade classrooms. We actually, for our school, we got the top 500. It's called a global amplifier for Flipgrid, which means that based on the number of responses and the activity that went on in the classroom, we were 500 out of 1,000,000 educators worldwide for the month of March. So the students were really into using it. They were very engaged in their grids, and they were responding back and forth. We were doing responses to literature, and we talked about rhetorical devices, and the students looked up different rhetorical devices. They thought about how they could use those in their own speeches about something they were passionate about. And then they decided to, they wrote out their scripts, and then they came up with their own Flipgrid video. All right, so we watched Martin Luther King Jr.'s video. He was saying, "I have a dream." And so basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be recording your own 30-second Flipgrid video on something you are passionate about. All right, so you're going to be choosing something, "I have a dream," or "I have a goal that I will change this in our school or in our community." Okay? And basically, you're just going to be coming up with some rhetorical devices. Maybe choose 2 or 3 of the similar ones that Martin Luther King Jr. used. And you're going to use those in your 30-second video. Okay, any questions about that?
All right, I'm going to jump in really quick here to show you guys the interface and what it would look like for a teacher. So here is the lit elements and devices. This was due a few days ago here. And here's all the responses, and it shows the views. We could edit responses. We could spark them so they go to the top so more people will see them. I can see all the views there, how many likes they have. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of different tools and features there. I'm going to show just a couple really nice videos so you guys get an idea what the end product looks like. And we'll go back to Miss McClain.
This is Aiden Cargill, and I'm going to talk about 3 traits that make the dystopian society in The Giver a dystopian society. First, Jonas is viewed as a rebel when he wants to show the truth to everyone in the community. Second, emotions are drained from bodies through shots.
So we could go there, we could give it a point for the ideas he had, the performance, we could put comments in there. Yeah, really cool stuff. Let me show you one more. Here we go.
Yo, what's up, third period? I have a dream that depression will not be a thing in a couple of years because it's a big problem in today's world. It takes a lot of people's lives, mostly kids our age, and expands up to adults. We could maybe help this by excluding negativity, racism, and bullying. Maybe you could just say hi to someone to just brighten up their day.
Yeah, so those are really good ones. We'll cut back to Miss McClain here.
When the students made their 20 to 30 second video, they were able to respond to each other, and I gave them a starter because some of them needed to start with a question. So I basically said, you could start with "I have a dream," or "I have a goal," or "I believe that we shall overcome." And so that helped them have confidence and know how to begin their video. And then once they were able to start with that, then they got more into it, and then they kept making new takes. And the really exciting thing is I was able to go through all the videos and then start a spark. So 3 or 4 students in each of my classes did a really good job. They put a lot of effort into it. And so I sparked that video, and the other students all were able to see that one, and they were able to respond to that spark. And that kind of created some more excitement. So for example, in one classroom, I had an average about 500 to 600 views just on one topic, and which would be about 4 or 5 hours of engagement, which is quite a lot for a class of 19 to 20 students. So that was really exciting to see that they were actually really into it, and that they were, using what they were learning in real life. So that's Flipgrid. Thank you.